Most of you have tried out those online sites that offer $20 to $50, and you now want to gain more. Everyone should be thrilled about this because it will be your online plot twist and could genuinely change your lives. You can depend on this on a monthly basis to cover your bills, personal loan, household goods, and even those items you previously wanted but were unable to purchase due to cost. I'll highlight the techniques and the precise step-by-step procedure so you can comprehend everything completely. This is legitimate and completely free. Besides that, it is accessible everywhere, so it makes no difference where you are. You are only a few minutes away from earning money online, so be sure to watch the entire video. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to generate $296 with iOS or Android in just minutes. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So I want you to visit the usertesters.io website first. You will see Earn Money for Testing Websites as soon as you enter this website. Actually, you can do this in the convenience of your own home by using a laptop, computer, and mobile phone. Likewise, you will require an internet connection, which only demands 10 to 20 minutes per day. Imagine, even though it only takes up a quarter of your day, you can still generate income. Anyone can complete this because it's so easy, even those who are total beginners with no prior experience. So after visiting the website, you will be prompted to create an account. So just click the orange button to submit a free application. The page where you can apply to be a user tester and start earning from $20 to $60 for testing websites and applications will be redirected to you, no matter where you are from. So you must enter your first name, email address, country, city, age, and the browser and devices you are using. You'll be asked if you have a webcam, and you should respond yes, just like you would for a microphone. The device you are using and your PayPal account will also be asked. So which device do you feel most at ease using? Comment below and let us know. So the first question about your background is your gender, followed by inquiries about your language and industry. So I suggest including a technology or perhaps computer-related item. Your availability, including your time, will be the last section. You will get a ton of work and have unlimited opportunities to make $60 if you choose the weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So simply click Become a User Tester. After filling out the form completely, you will see Thank you for your interest. We are concentrating on building our community. We will keep you posted. After clicking the button, it will now be essential for you to frequently check your email inbox because they will send you the job whenever they locate one that is appropriate for you as promised. So I'll now quickly walk you through a project and provide an example. In exchange for doing this one, which is all about the eBay website, I will receive $50. So you must carry out a series of steps in this exact location. So for each project you complete, you can get paid. You might even see various websites. Take the eBay website as an example. So the first step is to visit it. The second step is to take a screenshot of the homepage, save the image, and then submit it. Giving them a screenshot will, help them to verify that we are following the steps and will serve as proof of evidence. Please locate the daily deals on this eBay website and take a screenshot. So according to step number 3, I need to find the daily deals right away. I must return to the eBay website and locate the daily deals section in order to do that. So simply click on the daily deals link, which is usually the very top of the website. you will be taken to the eBay website's daily do section after being redirected. So just capture the page on camera. It is quick and fairly easy. So finding this bullet and taking a screenshot will come next. They want to be certain that we can locate the item. So we can simply continue looking for this one. So go to eBay and highlight and copy the product name. Just type the product name into the search box. You just need to take a screenshot once you locate the product. So I want you to make sure to get a complete picture of it so you can show them that we can find the object. Finding an eBay customer service portal and taking a screenshot will be the last step. Return to the eBay website and I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. Links to customer service should be accessible. You know, most websites will typically refer to it as a contact us or customer service. In this situation, you must click on contact and help. So you can earn money by simply taking a screenshot of this page, which is all you need to do. As you can see, the whole project is fairly easy to complete, and it only takes a little under 5 minutes. They merely want to make sure that we can find and access the website. Please keep in mind though, that every project is unique depending on the task you are given. So you might need to test on numerous websites and adhere to various guidelines and rules. You've been watching a demonstration of the eBay website. So in general, they want to test out the website's navigation and various features, whether you can access the website sign-up form, the daily deals, or customer service. They are able to enhance and improve their website and user experience based on our feedback. This is a quick and easy process that you can complete on your phone or mobile device in under 5 minutes. And by doing this repeatedly, until you have earned your maximum desired salary, you can actually make $50 per project. So now that you know all of this information, are you ready to create an account and start using those navigations? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. And if you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!